Rupees 2016.48 crore has lost owing to the Bandh, general strike and economic blockade in the state between March 2018 to 2019. JC against burning of St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School, Suknu, expressed discontentment over delay in arresting the culprits. And Manipur also joined the celebration of Smile Torch event organized by Sijir Foundation and Smile Trend India. Kurumjiri, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, a research report claims that 2016.48 crore rupees has lost owing to the Bandh, general strike and economic blockade in the state between March 2018 until March 2019. Speaking to media in a meet at Press Club today, social researchers Sarto Tondanakom asserted that, according to Manipur IGP intelligence, Bandh and general strike was held for 80 days and economic blockade for 7 days between March 2018 to March 2019. He divulged that 1,969.44 crore rupees was lost on Bandh and general strike and 44 crore rupees on economic blockade. He stressed the need for the people to be responsible. He urged the state government to take appropriate measures to prevent such state of economic loss in the future.
Sigi mangi ba porse ekoi gi ne aba ekoi isa na isa bu manghali ba se si se phati ko hai ba porse ekoi na yamna people awareness amakak chang ya ba ko ban blockade leiba matam sida sarkar da karak da revenue se karak ta ba yam lei ya ba some 1% or 2% gumba di state budget ta sogulak ya ba sida ai cha himanga muk sure si gumba adum ban blockade phong ba ado to pa state ki analyze to ba dum to bo matam da sarkar da gi appreciation macham dang su phangba ngam da ba ko masi lai ba yam thi ba ne na lawe on asigi mangi.
A team led by Chairman of Autonomous District Council ADC Chandal inspected the condition of a St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School in Suknu, which was recently set ablaze by unknown miscreants on midnight of April 25th. The team, led by Chairman of ADC Chandal, D. Ringo, including executive members and other members, met and conversed with the father of the school, Dominic, Chairman of the JC, against the burning of St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School, Suknu, and various people. Speaking to media, Chairman of JC, John Haukip, expressed discontentment of the sluggish approach towards arresting the culprits involved in the incident. He urged the ADC Chairman to persuade the government in arresting the culprits at the earliest. ADC Chairman Ringo expressed unfortunate over the incident. He assured of extending possible help in urging the Chief Minister to arrest and give befitting punishments to the culprits involved in the incident.
JC progress level deadline people share. I couldn't show CM da convey to pay up a two better pay up a labor. The JC demand Matuvina. Sicily have to acquaint Sukra, CM that put up those number convey to.
Smile Trend India is organizing Smile Torch event to celebrate its completion of 20 years of orthodontics surgery across the country today. Manipur also joined the celebration jointly organized by Sijir Foundation and Smile Trend India. A painting competition was organized to mark the celebration at the hall of Indian Medical Association IMA in Lamphel today. More than 208 students from class 3 to 8 took part in the competition. Speaking in the event, Assistant General Manager of Sijir Hospital Business Development, Santosh Shekhar, stated that Sijir Foundation organized Smile Torch event under the aegis of Smile Trend India to create awareness and support for children born with CLAPS across the country and to remind people that children with CLAPS can lead full, healthy and productive lives with a simple orthodontics operation. stating that Sijjo Foundation have conducted successful cleft operation for around 5 lakh children. He assured that the foundation is all set to conduct cleft operation in the near future. Santosh Shekhar maintained that a Smile Works event will be held from Kangla Western Gate to Thao Ground on May 1st as a part of the Smile Torch event, followed by valedictory function attended by Manipur Governor Najma Heptullah at IMA Hall on May 2nd.
Smile train gi handak chahi si mogi 20 years suba duga akoi gi cleft lip and palate gi 5 lakh surgery India da complete tawbagi moina observe tawboina mogi smile tours aina Banaras tagi akoi gi Olympic ki tours ama sum all over the country passed out with minor all over India da passed out they have selected few of the centers all over India the Manipur se moina sija house akoi smile train sija cleft project si partner moina tours si akoi sida su yorakadaba adugi event moina sigi sport painting competition se pangthok sabni tang amada akoi rally amsu sinjagani aduga tang ani da akoi skit play ama sigi smile train gi cleft lip and palate si corrective surgery si masi treatment option lei have sigi message piraga akoi Manipur gi jaga da akoi sigi matang da skit keno pangthok sagadori.
Following a news story telecast in media, Chief Minister has sent concerned authorities to assist a 16 years long bedridden ailing women to get medical treatment at Jenims Hospital under Chief Minister Gi Hakshal Tengbang today. The ailing woman is identified as M. Taumui, 32 years, daughter of M. Ang Phung Tong Tang from Machi village in Technopal district. Medical officer of Technopal and Machi Primary Health Center and a team of Chief Minister Gi Hakshal Tengbang took M. Taumui to Jenims Hospital. Speaking to media, M. Tommy's father stated that 16 years back, M. Tommy's sickness started from a mental illness and after some time the ailing made her immobile. Though she was treated in the beginning, the poor family's condition led to cease her treatment. M. Tommy's father also expressed happiness over the initiative of the Chief Minister. On the other hand, HM advisor N. Rajendra Elaisbor, who is also the younger brother of the Chief Minister, promised that M. Tombi will be treated until she completely recovers from her illness.
Chief Minister na magi makada thabak suriba Dr. Lainlum gi Manipur da thabak suriba Dr. Mayam Oja Mayam agi yumpham masida agi mafam masida yorak hanbiba ichanupi gi anaba chahi 33 shuba anaba si yengbi namai tamakta agi yum masida thabirap gi tamang yam ahan madai haraba phondok chari
khoi onom chem gi magi line sing gi makada hujitagi khoi magi se treatment factory babu se khoi kamai tor phagada gi se huji khoi doctor mathang superintendent na yamna seriously lor kan ko ba hokre aduga ma se kayam kuina kamai to buno haibu du khoi na huji haibung ngam ko aduga magi semai kasi makada mama sa factory babu line na budi khoi hona gi na du maina khanje.
Top Dashera Land Protection Committee expressed discontentment over giving away of land allotment order to Mega Manipur Society by the government. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, convener of Top Dashera Land Protection Committee cum Pradhan of Top Dashera Gram Panchayat, Mayang Lamba Surbala stated that the road of Top Dashera Gram Panchayat village number 38 Tinsit Konjil to in Imphal East public pond dug by MDS, a total of 22.2 acres of land and deck number 1200 and 1363 were given away by the then government on May 21, 2004 to Mega Manipur Society. She asserted that against the resolutions brought by Top Dashera Gram Panchayat and Mega Manipur Society on December 10, 2003, land allotment of deck number 1200 and 1363 was taken away conspired by the then chairperson of Mega Manipur Society and the then Revenue Minister. People of Top Dashera Gram Panchayat strongly condemned the act and urged the authority concerned to revoke the order.
Dakal tawzaduna dak sitha paiduna lau singuba tawduna hinjarimba miyoi singilam dak number 1200 amadi 1363 pak chawbuna ekar 22.2 chawba lamsing asi May gi tang kunmathoi 2004 da matamdugi sarkarna mega Manipur society da yamna chumdana allotment order ama pithok lamba asi kudaktagi kakkadabani amadi channa haloidabani haiba Tobdusra Gram Panchayat amadi Tobdusra Land Protection Committee gi local club Tobdusra Gram Panchayat ki manungda laiba NGO singi mute sing gi mot sinjaraga media gi kutangda government of Manipur da khanganjari.
Death of a patient during an operation due to alleged negligence of doctors at Advanced Hospital led to mob violence around 2:30 p.m. today. This deceased person is identified as 46 years old Sunpi Rengtui Chin Anal, wife of Ang Trang Samuel from Ravalong village in Chandal district. Some properties of the hospital were vandalized, but timely intervention of Imphal East police saved the situation and prevented from causing a further damage. Family members told media that Rengtui Chin was admitted to Advanced Hospital on April 25th and she underwent keyhole operation and her appendix and gallbladder was removed on April 26. As the patient was not recovering from the operation, she was treated again by consulting the doctors. After examined by the doctors, they were told that she required an urgent open surgery as something is inside her body and she was rushed to the operation theatre around 8 a.m. today. Amidst the apprehension by family members, as the patient was not brought out from the operation theatre till 2 p.m., they came to know that the patient died as hospital authority police was called. The family members alleged that Rengtui Chin died due to negligence of doctors and urged the authority concerned to aware befitted punishment to those involved in the incident. It may be recalled that similar mob violence against doctors occurred at Jennings Hospital and RIMS Hospital earlier this month.
Masase khara kanna lakoni ki hol ki damak ta makoi yam luba pon nate adu ilai na thoka dobne adu makoi na kerlo bi da man dabagi asi se sum thodok se thok pani adu na doctor khoi toriba thabak se id yam janing de.
A certain protest was held demanding justice of a sexual abuse case in Imphal East today. It may be mentioned that a 17-year-old girl was allegedly raped and assaulted earlier this year. Various placards were displayed during the sit-down. The protesters further warned of intense agitation if the relevant authorities failed to book the culprit involved in the crime till May 6.
Tang Kundaruk Thani Risingani Trampan in the Women Police Porompata Sahi Tatangariba, Angang Nupimaza Amabu Hanjan Nupi Webagi Jet Mangan Biram Riba repeat Waikom Wasinga Salo Waikom Biren Sing Lapam Sekta Makala Kaida. Howji Pava Thani Ganumini Surba Jaquina Police Napabi Rabanina Tang Taruk. Power given the Pabidra, the Masiki Makata, Manipur, the Labor Sansan, the Kusam, Akan Makongyong Jangsala, Gani Masida, a Papataki Daita, Pali Vasaka, Amadi, police station, women police station, Pubiga.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the conclusion of 14 Sajibu Inat Ngai Khang Kumhei, organized by Ima Leshem Inat Loishang. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. 14 Sajibu Inat Ngai Khang Kumhei held with an aim to preserve the culture of Métis, organized by Ima Leshem Inat Loishang, was concluded today. The 10-day observance began on April 19, where various ceremonial rites were performed in various parts of the state by Métis community. The event recalls the day on which the tutelar King Lesemba Sanajawa conferred Pantho the name Chingu Laitai Ngamba Koyum Lailub Ngai Khangba in 2006. Various people from different corners of the state took part in the observance held at Nongpok Chingu Thong Thalo Shitpi Lok in Seloi Langmai Ching. Sajibu Saireng Saitinaba 2019 was held in a poetry book entitled Loi Kiba Hakchang, written by Pantho, was also released on the occasion.
Message Paujel Hairagati, Minimibu Nungsiba, I could get lining, Masakangsi, I could get Horupam Masakangsi, Lining Kalabadi, I could get Natsu Kalagani, Haibasi, Pantahona, ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯣꯁꯣꯐꯤ ꯊꯣꯠꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯁꯅꯥꯖꯥꯎꯕ ꯏꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯄꯟꯊꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯅꯥꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯖꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅ ꯂꯣꯟꯆꯠꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯌꯥ ꯇꯝꯌꯥ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯁꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯅꯕ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ.
Manipur People's Democratic Front released a poster with an aim to curb corruption at Manipur Press Club today. The slogans of the poster include Save India from Corruption, Save Manipur from Corruption and Eradicate Corruption. Speaking to media, President of Manipur People's Democratic Front, N. Nodia Chand, stated that the poster was launched with an aim to eradicate corruption from all over the world. He asserted that poster campaign will be carried out in various parts of the nation, including Manipur, as well as giving away of pamphlet from door to door will also be done.
भारती मफम खुदिमता करप्शन लेतबसी अमत्ता लेत्रे करप्शन तंगाय अजुना करप्शन तरुपसिना अवाब मीदी सुम हेन हेन नोमगी अवाब दु ओइरे पिखबा अखोइदगी भावबा राजनीति वाला ब्यूरोक्रेट ऑफिसर सिंना करप्शन तौना जरा हेन बा हेन तु माउकी वखंदा पाउ लाए करप्शन से मोय तोलिबा मोय सिना पाउ तौरबनिना अखोइ करमाइ तौनी करप्शन से थेंगनबा अखोइ कंद होनबसी मदुइदमता अखोइ ngasi हाइबासी पांगथोकपनि.
A newly constructed head office of Palem Banthau PP Microfinance was inaugurated at Uripok Achom Laikai today. Managing Director of Palem Banthau Microfinance, Urembam Binod, along with his parents, Urembam Shyam Kumar and Urembam Pakpi, Head Professor of Economic Department of Manipur University, Amar Yumnam, General Manager of Suzuki Nexa Imphal Branch, Singhajit, Proprietor of CCT, R.K. Chittaranjan, and many shareholders attended the occasion. Speaking in the event, Managing Director of PP Microfinance, Urembam Binod, stated that PP Microfinance had opened offices in various parts of the Imphal city with an aim to enhance public economy from grassroots level. He asserted that the head office was mainly opened to expand and boost economic growth coupled with the trust and credibility of the people. The managing director of PP Microfinance expressed his desire to revamp the banking sector of the state by working along with people.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯁꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯊꯥꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯥꯊꯩꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯍꯟꯗꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯀꯣ 이 ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯀꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯦꯡꯀꯤꯡ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯇ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯀꯣ institution ama within very short period ko madu potuma koina same sanaba ko madu koi preparation almost loijare haibata koina loan singbagi mong ko adagi koina loan tha.
Maktab and Mohalla Committee Irong held the third annual meeting of Riyazuddin Maktab and Felicitation Program at Riyazuddin Maktab in Irong, Kunaw today. The event was held under the funding of Madrasa Majahirul Ulum Irong Chesaba. Speaking in the event, donator of the Maktab, Muhammad Riyazuddin Aribam, stated that the Maktab was constructed with an aim to provide education and teach disciplines to the upcoming youths of the state. He asserted that the Maktab and Masjid Committee will be reformed in the following year as Wahida Rahmani Maktab in reverence to his late wife. He proclaimed that he will allot an amount of 5,000 rupees each per month above the allowance given by Madrasa and Maktab Committee to the teachers of the Maktab. All India Writers Forum Imphal organized a one-day symposium on radio drama and Sahitya at MDU Hall in Yashkul Police Land today. Professor N. Tombi was the moderator of the symposium. President of Manipur Sahitya Parishad Imphal, I.S. Kangjam, President of All India Radio Writers Forum Imphal, Oinam Daneshwar Meitei, President of Laikol Imphal, Professor Nahakpam Aruna, and many people attended the event. Assistant Professor of Manipur University of Culture, Dr. Makhonmani Mongsaba, Guest Lecturer of Dance Department, Manipur University, Thaunajam Geetarani, and Dr. Sarat Chandra Longjamba of Dhanamanjri University, Manipur held presentations in relation to the event.
Ridu mayam se mastai da sahi amadugi manungda puthok ke lila mayam sing adu dagi afaba amamam thaga laga Delhi da lon mayam sing sigi drama sing se competition taw maduda all India radio Imphal da sandok kiba Meitei lon da sandok kiba adumba Manipuri ke radio play kayama national level da first prize phangdana ayama khoi yamna chawthok chaninga ba adumba paw khoi kayam ta adumadu to khrabra chatharibra ai thodok khangja chahi mari manga sidi madu kaya ta dre majuna tapadi all India radio Imphal asigi radio lila ibasing asigi mogi mapam chawna national level da kallemo gi maming leire habu taiba.
Cine Writers and Playwrights Forum Manipur organized a book discussion of Sajibu Gi Laihau at Hindi Parishad Hall in Old Assembly Road today. It may be mentioned that the famous Shumang Lila Sajibu Gi Laihau was conferred the best script in the Shumang Lila Festival 2015 organized by Manipur State Kala Academy. Speaking in the event, author Manaubi MM narrated on how he started writing scripts for Shumang Lila. A novel entitled Samungogi Luhongba, written by Jugol Singh, was released at Miyamgi Publishing Office, Governor Road today. Imphal College Students ECO Club organized a painting competition on the theme Think Green, Act Green at the college campus today. Around 150 students from classes 1 to 10 took part in the competition. DM College of Commerce alumni organized Open Accountancy competition at Western Block of DM College of Commerce today. College Principal Dr. Asem Nabachandra felicitated the winners of the competition held attended by various students coming from across the state. A free dental camp on Life Not Lived for Others is Not Life, Mother Teresa was held at PHSC of Kwatha Kunjau in Technopole district today. More than 100 individuals were checked up and free medicines were also provided in the camp held led by Joint Director Dental Dr. Nandalal. Youth Progressive Club in association with District Malaria Office organized a free medical camp near Maibam Hill in Bishnupur district today. More than 147 individuals were provided free medical checkup facilities and free medicines were also distributed during the camp. Mosquito nets were also dosed in mosquito repellent medicines as a part of the camp. Rajkumar Naurem, who bagged a bronze medal in the Asian Powerlifting Championship, was felicitated at the Community Hall of PBPTC in Kaishamthong, Ilangbam Laikai today. Advisor of PBPTC, E. Dolendro and E. Ibocho, General Secretary of All Manipur Powerlifting Association, N.G. Thoiba, State Football Coach E. Ratan and sports enthusiasts attended the occasion. It may be mentioned that Rajkumar Naurem achieved a third position in the 60 kg category and bagged a bronze medal in the championship held at Hong Kong from April 20 to 26.
India team the little contract to Sarugia. I know coach manager Bengal Yawi, other official Hungasale, the international referee Hungasale. Rajkumar say Karimba Sanavasel custom number the Charam 30, Ben Press I came to the goal logo the Masa 110 illegal support of the Tivo in Bangangiti. Can the custom depend away the Sanari dress depend over Nina. Adu kitang white over like Yadu Yamai, medal goal over medal over no PD contract rate and logre. Adu Nupada Smina Mapan Satana. Hong Kong,
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Rupees 2016.48 crore rupees has lost owing to the Band, general strike and economic blockade in the state between March 2018 to 19. JC against burning of St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School, Suknu, expressed discontentment over delay in arresting the culprits. And Manipur also joined a celebration of Smile Torch event organized by Sijil Foundation and Smile Trend India.